It's a pirouette. That's in a... Right, Frank, you're there, but I'm taking off. Taking off! I know you are. You're trying to sneak in front. You gotta wait. What the hell are you doing, man? And you're gonna cut in front of me, really? Pinche Frank. Pinche Frank.
I gotta go down.
Go. What do you mean down? I don't care where you are. That's right.
Taking off.
Frankie's favorite plane. Frankie's favorite plane.
It's pretty nice.
Take it up.
Too small, Frank.
Too small. Haters, man.
Gear up. I like my big one more. Big one.
This is pretty big, dude. Touch and go. From the back.
From the back. Oh yeah, there's no gear. Okay, low and slow from the left.
Low and slow.
Heritage Pass. I'm gonna do a Heritage Pass. I'll be right there with you.
What?
Time remaining 1 minute.
Alright, I'll do a real touch and go this time.
I like being able to hang there with you the whole time. Twatter. It does. I noticed that.
Seconds.
Yep.
Bring that. I'll bring my Otter.
Okay. Your big Otter? Because mine is really small.
We'll do have a touch and go competition.
Let's see. This is more fun. Now I can have a challenge.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
bumping it all over the place, especially at the end of the runway here. As soon as you start. Yep. Oh, mine's on there too. It's just, it bumps around more with the fins gone.
Oh, dude, I think that was your wash.
Oh, it hit you? Let me turn up the gain a little bit. I turned up the gain a little bit. Yeah, that's better. It's locking in more now. Got a lot of authority. I saw you just punch it and whip it. Punch and whip, baby, punch and whip. It's got some speed too, look at that. Dang. Dirty roll, baby, dirty roll. What is this, a 4S?
Yeah.
14.6 volts. That's perfect.
That was beautiful touch and go. I didn't hear you say anything, Nate. What about that? You were all silent over there.
Oh, we got a critic over there.
Haters gonna hate.
Whoa, weird wind.
That's what you want to see, so you can be like, take away points. So I'm giving you what you want.
All right, I'm doing more fast stuff. That was fun. You're right. The biggest critic. Yeah. Oh man. Okay, I'm doing a high alpha. I'll let you go ahead of me.
3 minutes over.
All right, I'm landing.
Gear down.
Yep, gotta land right now. Stay up, Frank, I gotta land. Yeah, no fins is good. Now I can get more. Now I can get more nose high. Hold on, I got a taxi back. You'll be clear. I'll be clear by the time you're there. Come on in. What the heck? Boingo, boingo. That was fun. Which one? The little pirouette? The one where I went like this? That was a tribute to the Sky Sword.